Alright guys, Super Agent Guy here. We got another awesome house tour right here. It's raining outside, so I'm gonna head inside pretty briefly here, pretty quickly. Alright, here we go. Checking out the new construction. This house is gorgeous. So first thing we're gonna look at is the big kitchen. Got the white cabinets, big islands. Very good look for this house. So, like I said, this is a brand new construction. You got a fireplace over there. It has a deck upstairs. It also has a deck downstairs. This is your this is your dining room. Living room right here. Beautiful property. Alright, heading back inside. So, you do have a pantry right here. Let's take a good look at that. Some good storage there. We're going to head on over into what we would consider the master here. Full tile shower there. The craftsmanship is done really well. I mean, everything is very, very nice. Everything's on timers, as you can see. You got tons of little storage. So you have storage here, linen closet here. And then right around, you have another linen closet right here. So, or just a coat closet. All right, headed into the garage. First thing that catches your eye is the garage door. I love these garage doors. Super light and bright, adds a ton of light in here. And you can't see through it. This is a 2-car garage. And it also has a charge point charge station right here. So this is for your electric car or your Tesla. I love that. Comes with the house. Pretty cool. All right, headed back in. Really liking this kitchen. The layout is great too. So right here, this is actually your master suite. I lied earlier. The other bedroom does have, it's kind of like a guest master. It does have a bathroom on it, but you'd almost consider it a guest room. Let's check out this barn door. They got this theme with the fogged glass or glazed, and it looks great. Big tub right there. Walk-in shower right there. And to your walk-in closet. Pretty cool. I really like this bathroom. It's beautiful. Cool. Alright. So now we're gonna head downstairs. So this house, like I said, is 4 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms. The craftsmanship and quality is awesome. I mean, look at these. The stair rail right here, really cool. Headed downstairs. Okay, so first thing we get to downstairs is we have a little storage right here that wraps around under the stairs. I didn't turn the light on because there's not much in there, but there's storage right there. You come to what you call another living room. You got your TV right here, you got your 2 windows, and it goes right out to another deck, which is super cool. So if you remember, upstairs, the deck was right there when we walked out. Pretty nice. Alright, so headed back in. Downstairs we have the furnace, like the utility room. So here's your furnace right in here. This is pretty neat. You don't get to see this under most houses. But it's somewhat built on a slope, so you get to see the bones of the house a little bit better in this one. There's your foundation. This is under the house. You can see they use these big beams. Pretty nice. Water heater right here, of course. And just a bunch of storage. Look at all that. Certainly makes it easier if you need to go underneath your house to do some work. I doubt you'll have to do any work at this house for a while, but it's there if you need it. All right, so this is a mudroom, washer, dryer. You got your sink there, tons of storage right here, places to hang your clothes, let them dry. Really neat right here. Another bathroom. This has a double sink. Also has another linen closet. Toilet and tub right there. So we have one bedroom here. Nice big window. I like how they've planted the perimeter with, I believe those are arborvitaes. That'll give you some really nice privacy. Another storage closet. Tons of storage in this house, it's great. Another bedroom, big window, and your closet. Very nice. Let's take another look at this room. I believe both of these rooms are the same size. Both of these rooms right here would share this bathroom right here. More storage there on the right that I didn't even take a look at. Alright, head back upstairs. The frosted glass look, as I said earlier, I really like that. It has that in the garage. It has that in the barn door on the master. Listed at 1.1. Really nice property. Was gonna get a little more outside shot for you, but it is raining out there like crazy, so we'll pass on that for this one. One thing I do want to mention, this floor to ceiling tile looks great. Alright guys, that's it for this one. Hit that like button, subscribe. I'm gonna keep doing these videos. I love checking out these houses. I've been sending these houses that I take videos of to clients, and it's kind of a nice way for them to take a look at it, get a really good feel for it before we schedule an appointment to actually come look at it. So it's a good way to just get a really good visual, get a good layout feel, and just somewhat see it in person. So catch you next time. Go figure, I do the whole walkthrough video and come outside and it stopped raining. They got a couple more new constructions going in here. You can see the guys working.